Hello friend, so today I am to tell you how you can make money using Pommely. No fluff, direct point. Just go to Pommely website, okay? After going to Pommely website, click Let's Get Started. Then quickly, we have to do quickly. Step by step, just you follow and see how money comes to you. It came now. Directly Pommely website it came. So it may asking me what side should I do for campaign creation. The DNA suggest everything you can do. See, you can build business DNA, you can do overview, catalog, assets, campaign, photo shoot, brand look, website, everything you can do. So let's move to brand business website. Describe the campaign you want to create. So here is my product, but I have to change it. I have to reset it. Okay, delete all everything. So now we will do again. Create brand group. So today we are using what? Today we'll create what? Build a business DNA, get campaign ideas, you can create product photo shoot and create a brand website. If you have website, just you have to put your website link here, everything it will do. If you do not have website, you can create here also and everything it will do. See how it will. See, if you have a website, so today I am going to make a business complete marketing for nutrabay.com. So this is free promotion for them if they want such type of uh, free promotion or paid promotion through which I can help them more. Just I will copy their link, this link, sorry, loading little bit. So it came, I'm thinking it's a neutral way. This is the website. Let me click here. Okay, I clicked here. Then it's redirecting me to their website. Where is their website? Right. So now I will copy paste their website link. Just copy this link, Control C, Control C. Then again you move to Pommely. Here just paste. It will analyze everything. The analyzing what type of website it is, how the color font it is, how the pictures it is. Take little bit time. Okay. How beautifully it analyze that this is the website. Studying the brand value, determining your visual aesthetic, picking brand fonts, and with what pulling images. What type of images it is available there? Summarizing your business, finding your logos. See how beautiful this free website. You know this is free. Only it is available on your Geo plan. If you have a Geo plan connected with your Google, you can use this benefit. Okay. Now on for voice, writing your taglines, everything it is doing, it will take a little bit because you know that good things come after what? Time, not quickly. With you. When is building website, till now I am going to tell you one thing about that. I have already created amazing your side income starter kit where I can earn up to $2,000 per month without quitting your job. Complete guide it is available with 40 plus copy paste AI prompts available. It action plan is also available. Recommended by most of the people. Go and check it out this prompt. Again, many more prompts is available where you can be used to build something and earn something. So website link just to image. I will provide it in description. aniketrawat.netify.app. Just check it out. Pommely website, yes. Whether it analyzes, summarizing it the video, it completely analyzes what type of brand aesthetic. So it completely let's go. Just put let's go. What should you do? You can create campaign for your ads. You can do photo shoot. You can build websites or you can do brand book. So first step by step we will go and create campaign, photo shoots, then websites, then brand book. So let's go and create campaigns. So describe the campaign you want to create. So let's create an amazing campaign so that let's briefly describe about your campaign. How you can that you can write or you can say here. Briefly describe the campaign that it is how the people get benefit from this amazing NutraWeb product. So it will create amazing. Just go. Is generating brief campaign. Amazing verified campaign. How beautiful. See, in NutraWeb, I am doing a free promotion. How beautiful campaign it created within a second. It taking little bit time, but see at the below. Verified pure every time. Fuel your yoga flow. It totally depend on your CPU power. If you are powerful CPU, then it will work very frequently. If you have moderate CPU, then it will take little bit time, but it will work. Just to check campaign it creating. Then we have to go for photo shoots. Then we have to brand books. Pure nutrition for pig. Just confirm it. One is the review. After that 9 is to 16. Okay, now confirm it. How beautiful it created. The suggestion. You asked me lesson Pommely is now available on mobile phone. See, it is also telling that you can also use in mobile phone only if you have Pro plan or you have recharged your phone with Geo. Okay, in a catalogs. In little bit time, just don't be get bored because boring pays you more. Boring things pays you more. It will take little. Now we'll move to photo shoot, campaign, campaign, getting, campaign getting, check how it created, and take few times. Wow, what an amazing scene. The campaign how you can create. You can animate also. Animate also. Pure nutrition for peak performance. That for digestion you can use what? Good gut, dairy fiber. Everything you can do animate. Let me check one video better how it looks. So this is good campaign you can use for your Facebook ads and drive your lots of traffic to your websites. Till now it is creating pages. You can change what? You can change your header, change your color, descriptions. You can use call to action. You can download it here. Anything you can do. Amazing. Completely for the business purpose. Back, back to creative. What happened? Time it generated call to action also. See, I generated it generating call to action. Catalog download and amazing catalogs. Ultra Gold P40, Ultra everything. See, download it, and download it and absorb this. Campaign what to do? Let me check. Animated one. Here animated. Amazing. How beautiful. Such type of travel. Just download it and send to your client. You can make easily. For photoshoot also you can use photoshoot also. Just click photoshoot, create a product shoot, okay, or generate and edit. So I will click here. Now product, select product image. Any product, let's choose this one. I am choosing this one. Then okay, click here. After clicking here, it will generate everything. This everything I will now share to Nutravel, and then I will tell that I can make more such type of video. Good, what I can do? Now generate photoshoot. Generating photoshoot. See how amazing it is. Now it's creating. Oh, that is my small brother. He came from after plano. That's why he came here. So see, it's creating how amazing it will create a photo shoot. No need of hiring any actor and giving them lots of money. You can do here. How I am doing, just you have to do it. Okay? Creating. Creating. Then you move to brand book. Created. Photo shoot. Photo shoot. How it will creating. How beautiful it create. This what needed. This one beautiful. Now you can click here and go for create campaign. Then now you can move for brand book. Getting brand book. What type of brand book you can use? I like this. You can generate image also. You can select image also. I will choose that. Will choose after confirming it. Creative brand book like now confirm it. It will. Wow, What an amazing brand book is. Can you imagine? Just you have to publish it. After publish it, it will publish. Then you can download the PDF also and share to your client that I can create such type of brand book. And do you want to work with me? Directly pitch the client. Now website, how you can create website. It is amazing. This feature is most important because everybody needs website. So everything it is creating from your business DNA. In little time, get amazing website. Just wait and watch. So till now, how much we have did? Let's share to NutraWay. Their Facebook is where after I go to NutraWay here, I have to message them that I have created amazing photo shoots. Free photo shoots and free mockups. Just do you want to work with me? I tell them, message them. This all download downloading this. You can send them the you can contact them that I have created an amazing mockup for you. If you want to work with me, just share everything what you have created from here. This one. See. Now website also is available. I think is generating till now. Just share everything and they will work completely. So for today this much. We'll meet on next video. For that, bye.